back here. The old house that's up there. I found the Confederate spur right in this area. So we thought, well, we'll just get over on this area. And look what we've done. Well, I've done. We come right across through there, and then the front drops off a little bit more than I thought, so. What about, Ricky?
A man with a bad back just got out of surgery, and here we get started.
Well, I guess I gotta get off here and help him a little bit. Alright, about an hour later. And we're still, well, we've about got her dug out. So, see a pile of dirt. We've tried a few things here and there, and we finally just, well, we're gonna have to dig her out. So I'll be done digging after this.
Yeah, I will be too.
Man, hey, it could be worse.
Yeah, it could be water here.
Yeah. All right, well, I was gonna sit here and film till he got it done, but I guess I better help him. Well, we finally made it out. Ricky's over there finding some old iron relics. And right there's the damage, of course. It wasn't too muddy. I mean, it's muddy, don't get me wrong. It wasn't too muddy to cross that. The problem was I hit it straight on, and then of course it bottomed out right here. So had to hike back to Ricky's truck and get his 3-ton jack. And then 2 hours later, well, I just backed right out. So, and then of course, actually the original road coming in is right down there. But we made it out. Now we're ready to find some relics. So there was an old home site sitting up there. I know it was there in the 20s. I'm sure it was there a little bit earlier, but 1920s, I'm sorry. But I say it was there earlier because right in that area there is where I found that Confederate spur. So hopefully we'll find some more Confederate relics. Alright, Ricky made his way down there along the bluff, and I started walking up through this path. They didn't have this path the last time I was here, and then that'd be a good way to get to the old home site because it's always in briars. You can see all the briars there. But I was walking up through here, and I got a good signal, and it looks like money. Ah, it's a shotgun shell. Well, I thought it was a nickel, but anyway. Alright, the house set right in there on the other side of that tree. Well, I don't know if you can see them daffodils down there or not, but probably 50 yards. But anyway, I've never been up in this area. It's always grown up most of the time I'm here. And would you look at here? Imagine that, a harmonica reed plate. I think they done them like they did the stinking Lincolns, and they just dropped them out of airplanes. Alright, I was just walking up on this hillside, right up, I guess above the old home site, which was right in there off the hill a little bit, and you see these stones are kind of in a circle. And then it comes around, here's some right here, there's two, and there's two right there. I'm not quite I don't know what this is. Maybe an old outbuilding or something. And then, of course, it's got this, it's like a sinkhole. And then you got a pile of rocks right there. And then there's another pile of rocks. Oh, I'm not for sure what this is. Of course, it's hand-cut rock. It's been cut. So, and then, of course, there's an impression right here. The whole thing. Right there's a bunch of rocks right there. Or is that just a stump? Now I know what this is. Huh. This is an old chimney to another foundation, another old home site. Man, I didn't even know this was here. Of course, during the summer you can't see anything in here because it's so grown up. This would be worth hitting. I wonder if that may have been like a root cellar, because it's pretty good size. Of course, you got some daffodils right there. Yeah, this will be worth hitting a little bit. But I did get a find over here. And I've found a few of these. Of course. I'll let y'all get a good look at it. But I'm not going to tell you what it is right now. I'm going to wait till the end of the video. And the first one to guess what that is, I'm going to send you a Relics Radio t-shirt. So, when you see that, just keep on your mind. You may win a Relics Radio t-shirt. All right, Rick's got a good signal. It's he said it was ringing up 92 or 96.
Yeah, ain't nothing in there.
Yeah, piece of pottery right on top of the ground. You're getting close to it now.
Oh, look at that.
No, it's in there.
Right there. I got one. Oh, wait.
Big piece of iron.
No. White mud.
And then the clay. Right there it is. I see it right there. Big piece of something iron. Well, that detector don't like that.
Pinpointer.
Yeah.
Huh. Kind of odd.
Hmm. I'm not for sure. We'll have to clean that up.
Yeah.
Well, there's more left. Well, we'll be back and figure out what this is. Okay. All right, we figured out what that was. Show them the other piece first. He just got it out. That piece right there, it's an old bed frame. And we'll say that's probably half of the bedpost decorative knob that's on top. Big old iron bed.
Yeah.
Alright, we're starting to run into some older stuff, what we like to find. Found a square nail eye just right back there, and then got this piece to a toe tap. So we're starting to get into some older stuff. Maybe we'll start pulling some flat buttons out. Rick, what are you finding over there?
Another mason jar lid.
Another mason jar lid. I got a little horse tack buckle right here. I found a few of them at old sites. And I don't know, somebody could date it, but I don't know. But it wasn't made yesterday.
Not bad.
We just got back from the truck. We got down there to get some water, and I had to get a battery for my pin pointer. And we got back up here and hadn't turned our detectors on just maybe 30 seconds, and his batteries in his detector went bad. So he's having to turn it off and turn it back on and right now. But I come around daffodils there, walk right through here, and this log was laying there, and well, limb, and I'd got a high signal. It was in the 90, 91, 88, 91, and moved the log, dug down, and sure enough, buddy, I don't know what it is yet. Haven't even touched it. It just rolled out. I thought it was gonna be a coin, but it's looking from this angle like it's gonna be a button. That's a old 2-hole sewing button. Man, I thought it was gonna be a 2-hole sewing button.
Oh.
I thought it was gonna be a silver coin, but I'll still take it.